Hello and welcome to another video from Simply Schedule Appointments. In today's video, we're going to talk about a really cool feature called custom booking form fields. Now, what this feature allows you to do is personalize your booking forms, allowing you to gather specific information that helps tailor your services to meet individual client needs. So this feature is available in the Plus Edition, Professional Edition, or Business Edition, as you can see right here on their website. And because this is a pro-only feature, I am going to quickly show you the free version first, just so you have a really good comparison and you can really see the value that you're actually getting from this feature. So if we hop on over here to this demo site, this demo site has a free version of Simply Schedule Appointments installed, and you can see that I'm editing an appointment type. And if I scroll down to the customer information section, you'll notice that we have a number of fields available for our booking form. And these are not editable, and we cannot add a new field. So we have name, email, phone address, all the things that you would need to collect from your clients, but there's no way to ask them anything specific. So this is where the feature that we're talking about today really comes in and improves your workflow overall. So we'll hop on over to this other demo that has the Plus version installed, and we'll scroll down to the same exact section, customer information. And now you'll notice we still have name and email. Those two fields are required. They cannot be deleted. The plugin is coded in such a way that those fields are required to exist for it to function properly. But you'll notice we have this add field button here, so we can add extra fields to this form. And if we click on this, we'll see that we have single line text, multi-line text, checkboxes, radios, and phone number available. So for the purpose of this demo, I'm pretending that I am a fitness trainer. If you were to be able to see me, you would know that that's clearly not what I do for a living, but maybe we want to ask a potential client if they have any existing medical conditions or injuries that we should be aware of before we try to train them. So let's say something like existing medical conditions. And then for instructions, I'm going to say, do you have any medical conditions or injuries that we should be aware of? And it's a single line text. I might change that to a multi-line text just so they have a little more room to type in. So maybe they're going to say, they have a bad back or they had some knee surgery or something. And you can choose from a list of icons here if you would like. I'm just going to go ahead and grab, let's see, where's the heart? There's a heart in here somewhere. Yeah, I'll just grab the heart and click update. Another thing you might want to ask your client as a fitness trainer is what their goals are. So I'm just going to go ahead and type goals, and I'm actually going to do checkboxes for this one. And for the values, there's a number of different goals that one might have with regards to their physical health. But I'm going to say weight loss. Let's go with strength training, endurance. I don't know. There could be a whole list of things that somebody might want to try to improve with their physical health, and so they'll be able to choose whichever ones apply to them. And for this one, I'm gonna not leave an instruction because I think this is pretty self-explanatory. So you don't have to put an instruction if you don't want to. And for the icon, I don't know. I probably shouldn't, but let's go with cake for this one. It's a little ironic. And if you want to make this field required, of course, you can click the checkbox there, click on update. And I'm just going to go ahead and save this form. And one thing I like about Simply Schedule Appointments is when you're here on this admin page, you can see we're in the admin. We can click on appointments, and we can actually go through the booking process just like our customers would, so that we can see what our form looks like and make sure that it's providing the experience that we're actually going for. So I'll go ahead and click on book an appointment, and just like a customer would, I will pick a date. Let's go with Monday and 3:30 p.m. And here's the form that we created. So name, email, of course, existing medical conditions. Let's see, I have a bad back and had knee surgery 2 years ago. That's something they might want to know. My goals are to lose weight and endurance, and then I can go ahead and book the appointment. So this allows me to just kind of check the form that I'm creating and make sure it looks the way I want. You can see the instructions pop up here when I click in here. Do you have any medical conditions or injuries that we should be aware of? So we can click the X, go back to appointment types, click on this to edit. we can come back down here to customer information and we could add a whole nother field. We can add as many fields as we like to allow you to collect whatever information you need to collect from your clients, which will better help you serve these clients. If you didn't have this feature, you would have to basically ask them all these questions later. Maybe you follow up with them via email or phone, or maybe when they show up for their first appointment, then you have to ask them a bunch of questions. This feature allows you to ask these questions now, which streamlines your whole process, and it makes it so that you can actually prepare for the client before they show up. So you can have this information before they show up to their appointment, and this allows you to prepare your presentation or your, in this case, your fitness plan based on the questions that they gave you, and just allows you to speed up the whole process. And so hopefully you see the value in having the custom fields in your booking form. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.